Namaste viewers and my dear students. Welcome back to Darshna's English class, and the topic for today is sentence, or we also call it sentences. Now what is a sentence? What is a sentence? When a number of words are put together in such a way that they express a complete thought, you have a sentence. Now this is the definition part, okay? If you see in the bracket, I've added parts of speech. What does that mean? Yes, the different parts of speech that we use to make a meaningful sentence, to arrange the words in a way that they give us a complete understanding. And that group of words are called a sentence. Now that is not only enough, okay? Now to make a proper sentence, there is one more essential element. And what is that? In order to express a complete thought, the collection of words that form a sentence must necessarily have two essential elements, a subject and a predicate. Yes, these two elements are very important to call that group of words as a sentence. Now what the subject and predicate is, let us understand. The subject is a word or a group of words that tell us what or whom the speaker or writer is talking about. The predicate is the part of the sentence that makes a statement about the subject. Yes, so from this definition itself we can understand how connected these two are to give us a complete sentence. The predicate usually tells what the subject is doing or what is happening to the subject. Now, if you see the first line, I have mentioned the subject is a word or a group of words. What does that mean? We are discussing in the next slide. Here, a simple example I have given by drawing the table and separating the sentence as a subject and the predicate. Okay, the first one, my friend lives in Mumbai. The box contained a variety of sweets. Akbar was a great king. The earth revolves round the sun. Okay, now these all, the subject, these are called simple subject and simple predicate. Now you all might be wondering, why am I emphasizing on simple word like simple subject and simple predicate? Yes, it has a meaning. And how is this different? Let's know in the next slide. Because in a sentence we do have two or more simple subjects or two or more simple predicate, and these are called as compound subject and compound predicate. Don't get confused and don't get stressed. I'm also jotted down an example to make you understand in a easier way. Okay, so the first example, wheat and maize are grown in my daddy's farm. We all know the predicate always starts with a verb. Yes, and you can see here in the subject there are two subjects, wheat and maize. The word that is connecting wheat and maize is and. So in grammar we say that such a sentence has a compound subject, okay, which has more than one noun, pronoun. Now the second one, example, I went for the picnic and enjoyed it very much. Now here if you notice, the subject is the simple subject. It's talking only about I. Now here there are two predicate verbs, went and enjoyed. And again they both are connected with the word and. So this sentence has a compound predicate. This is to remember, okay? There's nothing to get worried or confused about, but it's a simple way which I have given so that you can remember and differentiate between a simple and a compound subject, a simple and a compound predicate, okay? Let's move to the next. Now when we talk about sentences, sentences fall into 4 groups. How? According to the purpose the sentence serves and the manner in which the thought is expressed. Yes, basically the sentences are to express or to connect, isn't it? These 4 groups are assertive or declarative, the second interrogative, the third imperative, the fourth exclamatory. We also name them as types of sentences or kinds of sentences. Now some children do get confused. What is the difference between types of sentences and kinds of sentences? Now types of sentences is their division according to their structure, and kinds of sentences is the division of the sentence according to their function. Okay, so let's discuss the sentences. The first, assertive or declarative sentence. Some sentences simply make statements to relay information or ideas and end with a full stop. Such sentences are called as assertive or declarative sentences. So these are like see the examples. Green is my favorite color. The dog barks. The sun rises in the morning. There are 7 days in a week. My father is a doctor. Now all the sentences are pure statements which cannot be modified. Okay, so such sentences are called as assertive or declarative sentences because they are clear statements given by the speaker or the writer. The second, interrogative sentences. Some sentences ask questions and end with a question mark. Such sentences are called as interrogative sentences. Yes, questioning, when it comes to interaction, it is not just about talking or sharing ideas, and when we share ideas it always ends up, or we always need a way to ask, and this sentences which are a question are called as interrogative sentences. Example, have you got your assignments checked? Where do you live? How old are you? Can I join you for the movie? Are they coming with us to play in the park? Now all the sentences are a group of words which expects an answer from the listener. So these are questions. Okay, let's move to the next. Imperative sentences. A sentence that expresses a command, an order, a request, a desire, or an instruction is called an imperative sentence. These sentences also end with a full stop. Now see the examples. Report to the chief immediately. It sounds like a command, isn't it? Get out of this room. Now this is an order. Please give me a drink. Yes, it's a request. May God bless you. It's a desire. Take this tablet thrice a day after meals. Now this is an instruction. An instruction is something which is given by the speaker and the listener has to follow. So you can notice that all these 5 sentences are a command, an order, a request, a desire, and an instruction. So such type of sentences are called as imperative sentences. The last one, exclamatory sentences. A sentence that expresses strong feeling or sudden emotion are called an exclamatory sentence. These sentences always end with an exclamation mark. Yes, that exclamation mark plays a very important role when it comes to expressing yourself. Example, what a gorgeous view this is. Hooray, we have won the game. I can't wait for the party. Watch your step. Oh, this water is too hot. Now, all these 5 sentences are expressing different feelings and emotions. The first sentence is giving us a surprising emotion, a happy and surprised emotion. The second one is giving a feeling of happiness, overjoyed. Yes. The third one is giving us the feeling of an excitement. The fourth one, it's giving us a feeling of a precaution or a warning. The last one, it's giving us a feeling of a shocking feel that water is too hot. So, these 4 types of sentences are very easy to differentiate and to identify. We have to remember them because it will help us a lot when we will use them in our writing skills, especially when you write types of essays, or when you write a story, or when you write a paragraph. So again, this video is meant for all the grades from grade 5 to 10. So please make sure you share with your friends and note down the important points. Okay, children. Thank you for watching the video. Always watch the videos till the end to understand the concept properly. And please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon because, as promised, I will be coming up every week with at least one topic for you all. Thank you, dear all. God bless you.